welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And this time, Angel is number one, and I found this one. Look at that. I'm gonna show you the regular price. I'm gonna keep it on there for a second.
In store number one, you're number one?
Yep, store number one, you guys. All right, so I came over here. I actually needed some more silverware. For some reason, my kids keep throwing away, or maybe it's him, throwing away pieces of silverware. And it keeps coming up missing. Look at all this. Oh, I like this one. So I was actually scanning this, you guys. And I'm gonna come around here. You see Manny's hard at work. He's trying to look for a deal because he know I got him. It is late in the day and boom, look what I found. I don't think we're ever gonna run out of silverware. Sorry, you guys. We had some people come behind us. It's actually late in the day. We usually go to Walmart early. Sorry, but we actually came late. What's the name of this? Oneida? 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 I don't know. Something. I don't care, you guys. I don't care if it said boo-boo because I'm about to show you this price. Look at this, you guys. Super heavy. You can't go wrong. Again, either Manny or the kids, they just keep throwing away my silverware. So I'm going to have... You found another one?
Another one.
Where? I looked all the way.
It was behind here.
Oh, okay. Manny, how you going to try to go on my deal?
Sorry.
All right. He found another one that was hidden behind this one that's not on sale. All right. So let me go back over here. So we got a total of 6. The boxes are dusty, but for this price, I do not care. All right. So this is the Everdell, and this is what you guys are going to be looking for. This name brand actually has different colors. So you guys are going to be looking for this burgundy color with the black box. Okay. It's silver because they do have different colors. And this one is a 20-piece set. Service for 4. And look at this. Boom. Lifetime warranty. All right. Again, this one is a service for 4. And it's stainless steel, dishwasher safe. Never needs polishing. What does that mean? Never needs polishing?
I mean, it won't get like, you don't have to shine it and all that.
Huh?
See how shiny it is?
Uh-huh.
You don't ever have to like polish it. Like the old silverware, you gotta always like, to keep it shiny, you gotta polish it.
You guys know I don't cook or nothing because I don't know what that means. But, again, never needs polishing, dishwasher safe, and it's stainless steel. Look at this. This is Angel's Fine. Manny's still looking for a fine. All right, you guys see we don't have nothing else in our cart but what I found. Right, Manny? All right, so here's what the back looks like. And with this one, service for 4, you get 4 salad forks, 4 dinner forks, 4 dinner knives, 4 dinner spoons, and 4 teaspoons. All right, I'm going to show you the UPC. All right, Manny, you give me the price of these. I'm going to show you the regular price one more time. $32.88. All right, now we just figured out something. These two look exactly alike. All right, but this one says Everdell and this one says Hughes. Oh, it's 2 different names. Yeah, look. Hold on a second, you guys.
Oh,
yeah, here's the first name, you guys, you're going to be looking for. And we're going to give you the 2 different prices and the 2 barcodes. All right, so the Everdell 20-piece set. And let me show you the UPC one more time. Okay, Manny, how much is this one?
$4.75.
You guys, it went from $32.99 to $4.75. $32.99, right? Nope, $32.88. Want to give you guys the right price. All right, $32.88 all the way down to $4.75 for this one. So this one is $4.75, and this one, the Hughes, is a different price. I don't know why. It looks like the handles might be different. Look at that handle. And then this one is a little bit different. It has this bottom right here design. So they're a little bit different. Same box. You guys can get mixed up, but look for this one and this one. So for this one, the Hughes, I'm going to give you the UPC. There you guys go. And how much is this one?
$5.15.
Wow. All right. So this one is only $5 $4.15. It was 30 something, $32. So this one again is $4.75. And this one is $5.15. And you guys, I'm never, ever gonna run out of silverware now. Manny's still looking for stuff. We're gonna see what else we can find. But you guys, if you guys can find these, $4.75, okay, $5.15. So you guys have to run to Walmart to try to score these. All right, you guys. It looks like today is Angel's Day and not Manny. Look at his face.
Store number 1.
Store number 1, and I am scoring today. Look what else I found. I'm not sure if we had this in a prior video, but I remember seeing this packaging. This is tabletop sling shuffleboard. You know how to play this?
Yeah, we talked about it in the last video.
Did we? Oh, okay.
You gotta shoot it like to the end without going over or something like that.
All right. Well, look, no assembly required. 3 pucks included. And this is what it looks like, you guys. All right. It says 14 plus. And here's the UPC. Hopefully you guys can see it. Wait, it's blurry. There you guys go. And again, that's what it looks like. All right, Manny's hating on me, you guys. Hopefully store number 2 will be Manny. I think store number 2, I'm gonna put a blindfold on so he can finally find something. But look at this. I'm gonna go really slow.
Nobody even believes you.
Look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's a glare. Look at this. Boom. $1. Boom, in your face, $1. Only on Angel on the Go. We always find things for $1, $5, 50 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents, and even 10 cents. No one could beat us. Look at that. Boom. $12.86 down to $1. Merry Christmas, fool. That's your Christmas gift.
I'm gonna sell it.
Okay, well, that's even better. Merry Christmas. So we actually got 2 of these at $1. All right, you guys, this is a bonus clip. All right, this is a location by our house. And when we checked out, we seen the manager, and we told the manager one was $4.75 and one was $5.15. And she said, you know what? I'm just going to give them all to you for $4.75. So we thank her for that. And we got enough silverware to last us at least the rest of 2021, right?
We'll see how fast they throw them out.
Are you the one throwing them out, Manny?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to wash the dishes? That's what it is.
I got a dishwasher for that.
No, we hand wash dishes, you guys, because I'm so cheap. I don't want to run the dishwasher. So when it's Manny's week to wash, you guys, this comes up missing all the time. But when it's my week, the sink looks like this. Why is that?
I don't know what you're talking about, because I put them right in the dishwasher and I wash them just like that.
Manny lying. All right, so let me see the receipt.
You think so?
All right, so I'm going to show you guys that we were charged. All right, so let's see. Quartz here, black. Okay, this right here are the heaters for $11. So we got 3. And then here is the 20-piece. I'm so tired. What is this? Silverware. Sorry, you guys. 20-piece silverware. So you guys can see all of these right here. Here's the name. And she just went ahead and charged us the $4.75. Boom. Look at that. Now, we're on our way to Walmart number 2. How many people you think are going to, or how many people think that Manny's going to find something in Walmart number 2?
You get lucky one day at one store and all of a sudden you're nice.
You look like you're sweating right now.
Yeah, because you got the...
Come on, the air's on. What's the matter with you? You sweating? All right, so the second Walmart, you guys, I'm going to go in blindfolded because I don't want to embarrass Manny and find a big deal. So I'm going to give him probably the second, maybe the third or fourth. I'm just going to be quiet, even though I might see a deal. I'm just going to keep it to myself.
I would say silent because you're going to be real embarrassed if you go in there and it just backfires.
It's not that hot. Why are you sweating? Look at this. He glossy. Look at that. You glossy.
I'm not playing with you.
All right, so we're on our way to Walmart number 2. Make sure you guys, again, look out for these. Remember, look for the burgundy and black box. Here's the name. What's the name again? Oneida. Oneida. I don't care what it is. It's only $4.75. So if you guys need silverware, run, run, run.